Hello and welcome to our professional makeup course. This course is designed to provide you with the knowledge and skills necessary to become a successful makeup artist. We will cover a wide range of topics, including skin preparation, color theory, makeup application, bridal and special occasion makeup, and business skills. Our goal is to help you develop a strong foundation in the fundamentals of makeup artistry and to give you the confidence to pursue your career as a professional makeup artist. Professional makeup courses are designed to teach individuals the skills and techniques necessary to become a professional makeup artist. These courses cover a range of topics, including skin preparation, understanding the different types of skin, how to prepare the skin for makeup application, and how to select the right products for each skin type. Color theory, learning how to select the right colors for different skin tones and how to use color to enhance features and create different looks. Makeup application, practicing various makeup application techniques, including foundation application, contouring, eye makeup, and lip color. Bridal and special occasion makeup, understanding the specific needs and preferences of brides and clients for special events and how to create beautiful and long-lasting looks for these occasions. Business skills, learning how to market yourself as a makeup artist, how to build a portfolio, and how to price your services. Our experienced instructors will provide hands-on training and individualized attention to ensure that you receive the best possible education. You will have the opportunity to practice your skills, receive feedback from your instructors, and build a portfolio that showcases your work. We believe that a successful makeup artist is not only skilled in techniques, but also understands the industry and has a strong sense of their own personal style. This is why our course not only focuses on the technical aspects of makeup artistry, but also includes valuable insights and advice on building a successful career. We are excited to have you join us on this journey and look forward to helping you achieve your goals as a professional makeup artist.